Now that you've downloaded the Apex Driver app from the Google Play Store, go ahead and open up the app and click down at the bottom where it says Sign Up. Enter your details. Type in the email address you'd like associated with it. The phone number where you can receive calls and text messages, as well as notifications. And then create your personalized, customized code. And simply create your account. Now you're waiting for your OTP, which is short for one-time password. You receive that via text message. And verify. Congratulations, you've registered successfully. Now read through the terms and conditions of the Apex Driver app. Take as much time as needed to look all the way through it, please. And once you have read through it and you agree, check I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy from Apex mobile app. The next step in the next video will be about going through setting up your profile.